So, meron kaming agenda dapat, guys. After netong training, dediretso kami ng rally para kami yung mag-emergency doon. Di ba, Ma'am Pao? Tapos kami yung mag-CPR if may himatay. Tapos sisigaw kami ng, I'm Guay, I know how to do CPR. I can help.
Still enough oxygen in their blood.
Baby, is it too zip? The answer is no. Okay? Okay, and then compress. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, kailangan ganyan po siya. Breathe. 1, 1,000. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Anong masasabi mo, Ma'am?
Thumbs up.
Very nice experience.
Si Doc naman si Doc.
Doc, ano pang masasabi?
Magaling.
Galing ni Doc. Very good. Very good student. Worth it lang, guys. Kala mo talaga.
Next, we have Miss Tiara May G. Ojas.
Best sopan po. Masaya talaga.
Mas marami pa po kaming tinawa kaysa sa natutunan. Lord. Makikita niyo po si Pauline. Ginajudge niya yung mga tao dito. Lord.